Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Introduction to Operating System. My name is A. Anisarna from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and my USN is 1BE22 CA001 branch of CSE AI third semester. So, what is an operating system? An operating system software that acts as an intermediate between a user of computer and the computer hardware. It is a software that manages computer hardware and allows the user to execute program in a convenient and efficient manner. Operating system goals are make the computer system convenient to use. It has the difficulty in managing the hardware. Uses the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Provides an environment in which user can easily interface with computer. It is a resource allocator. Computer system structure components of computer system. Computer system consists of four components. They are hardware, operating system, application program, users. Hardware provides basically computing resource, CPU, memory, and I/O devices. Operating system controls and coordinates use of hardware among various application and user. Application program defines the way in which the system resources are used to do the computing problems of user. Word processor, compiler, web browser, database system, video game, users, people, machine, and other computers. Here is a small picture which can explain you detail. The computer hardware is connected to operating system, and the operating system is connected to system and application program. In applications of program, there are lots of uh, application like compiler, assembler, text editor, and data system, which are connected to end users, like user 1 is connected to compiler, user 2 is connected to assembler, and user 3 are connected to text editor, and etc. List of user views and system views of operating system. There are two types of views. One is user views and system views. Let's discuss about what is user views. If the user is using standalone system, then the operating system is designed for ease of use and high performance. Here, resource utilization is not given importance. If the user are different terminals connected to mainframe and main computer by sharing information and resources, then the operating system is defined to maximum resource utilization. Operating system is designed such as the system uh, CPU, time memory, and I/O are used efficiently, and no single user takes more than the resource allocated to them. If the user are in workstation connected to network and server, then the user have a system unit of their own and share resources, files with other system. Here is the operating system is designed for both ease and use and resource available system. Other systems like abandoned systems used in home devices like washing machines and automobiles do not have any user interaction. There are some LEDs to show status of its work. User of handheld system accept the operating system to be designed for use and performance per amount of battery lives. System use. Resource allocator. The OS acts as a manager of hardware and software resource. CPU times memory space, file storage system, I/O device, shared file, and etc. Different roles required during execution of program. There can be conflicting requests for these resources by different programs running the same system. The operating assigns the resources to the requesting program depending on the priority. Control program. The operating system is control program and manage the execution of user program to prevent errors and improper use of computer. Computer system organization. One or more CPUs, devices, controller connected through common bus providing the access to be shared. memory. Each device controller is in charge of specific types of devices to ensure orderly access to shared memory. A memory control is provided whose function is to be synchronized access to memory. The CPU and other devices execute concurrently computing for memory cycle, concurrent execution of CPU and device computing the for memory cycle. Interrupt handling. The occurrence of an event is usually signaled by an interrupt. The interrupt can either by from the hardware or the software. Hardware may trigger an interrupt at any time by sending signal to the CPU. Software triggers an interrupt by executing a special operation called system call and also called as monitor call. When system is interrupted, it stops when it's doing and immediately transfer execution to a fixed location. The fixed location contains the starting address where the service routine for interrupt is located. After the execution of interrupt service routine, the CPU resumes the interrupt consumption. Interrupt are an important part of computer architecture. Each computer design has its own interrupt machine, but several functions are common. The interrupt must transfer control to the approximate interrupt service routine. Thank you.